Hey everybody, it's Robin, and I wanted to share a little history with you and explain to you why it's so important that we acknowledge and we honor and we support indigenous ingredients and indigenous peoples who bring these ingredients to us. And this is Nilotica shea butter. And Nilotica trees, the shea trees, are grown in two places, North Uganda and South Sudan. This is where you're going to find them. And Nilotica shea butter was almost extinct. And it was because of the 20+ year war with the Lord's Resistance Army in Uganda. The trees were cut down for firewood. And so all production and collection of shea nuts to make shea butter and for nourishment pretty much was devastated. And so after the wars and after much lobbying, it is now illegal to cut down Nilotica shea trees for firewood. And so now the local independent farmers, they are now reestablishing centuries-old traditions of shea farming and shea harvesting, wild harvesting, and on their homestead, and shea trading and producing Nilotica shea butter that is so good for your skin. And they have now become the stewards of the land of the Nilotica shea butter. And now they are teaching future generations to be independent farmers and harvesters. And a lot of the harvesters of your shea butter and your shea nuts are women. So it's economically empowering women and local communities to where they don't need food aid anymore. And also, Nilotica is considered a premium shea butter because of all the shea butter worldwide. Nilotica shea butter represents 1% of shea butter. So I just wanted to share that history with you and just wanted to share how when you're using a product and when you're using Nilotica shea butter, is that your impact is going further than all the benefits that it's doing for your skin, but you're also empowering local communities. So I wanted to share that with you today. Thank you for listening, and I will see you next time. Have a beautiful day.